Hey guys, this is Dr. Hub. In case you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe for updates. Let's look into the factors influencing the rate of the net diffusion of a substance across a membrane. So the first one is the Fick's law of the diffusion. So Fick's law of diffusion, it includes J. So there is J is equal to, J is nothing but the rate of diffusion. So J, rate of diffusion, is equal to dA. dA stands for the diffusion coefficient. So it's easy. D is for diffusion coefficient. A stands for the area, and this is bracket. You have the delta C divided by the delta X. So delta C by delta X, the meaning is it is the concentration gradient. It is nothing but the concentration gradient. So now let's look at the factors and the effect on the diffusion. So first is the thickness of the membrane. Thickness of the membrane, it is the effect of diffusion is less. So let's look at the conditions where it is less. So thickness of a membrane, the effect of diffusion. Increase in thickness of membrane, the diffusion is less. Next is in case of size of molecule. So increase in size of the molecule. So here also the effect of diffusion is less. So increase in size of molecule, the effect of diffusion, if you see, it is less. Next is we look at conditions where the effect of diffusion is increasing. Diffusion increases. So the first one is we look at the increase in lipid solubility. So in lipid solubility, next in case of increase in temperature and in increase of area of the membrane. So area of the membrane, temperature and the lipid solubility, as well as the distribution of the protein channels. So increase in distribution of the protein channels. So in all these cases, we are seeing an increase in diffusion. To learn and grow daily like this, please do subscribe.